Ratio and proportion, question 6, exemplar problems for class 6. So the question states in a box the ratio of red marbles to blue marbles is 7:4. Okay, so let's do some red marbles and blue marbles. Wait, I did the blue first, then the red. Okay, doesn't matter. And the ratio between red marbles and blue marbles is supposed to be 7:4. Did I get it right? I think let me be clear about this. Red to blue. Okay, so 7 red for every 4 blue. So the sequence of the ratio is very important. Okay, so you should know which is which. So what does this mean actually? Okay. The question could be like, okay, then how many marbles are actually there inside this bag? Could be there inside this bag. So the simplest number that is possible when there is 7:4 and all the marbles are whole marbles. We are not talking about fractional marbles. Okay, this is a real life situation. So we are talking about full marbles and inside a box. So the easiest would be, of course, if you have what? 4 blue marbles, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 7 red marbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so when that is the actual number, then you can say that, okay, the total number of marbles is 11, both red and blue together. Okay, but that's not enough. Let's say that it's not in a box, it's actually inside a bag, a black bag, which you can't see inside. You can only put your hand inside. Okay, so you can't see, and somebody tells you that the number of marbles inside this is 7:4. The question is 11 marbles the only number that is possible for this ratio? Okay, because if you understand what it means in terms of a ratio, for every 7 marbles we have got 4 marbles. Okay, which means that I could also have a proportion, I could have a number of marbles, something like this. I can have, let me start with the first one. I can have 14 marbles. Okay, it's going to take some time drawing 14 marbles. 4, I have to draw 10 more. 1, 2, I'll make it with some spaces in between, so I can put the blue marbles in between. Then it will look a bit colorful, but then now I have lost count. How many do I have? Count somebody. I want 14.
11.
11.
12.
11.
13 and the 14th one.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, now if I had 14 red marbles, how many blue marbles will be there if the ratio is supposed to be the same?
8. 8 blue marbles.
8 blue marbles. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So in this set also of marbles, so there is this one set in which the ratio is 7:4. But in this set also, sorry, I made it like a SIM card. The ratio is exactly the same. It's 7:4. But what is the total number of marbles in the second set?
22. 22.
22.
Okay, so which means that any multiple of 11 will be possible. You get it? If there are 11, 11 is the simplest possible answer, but any multiple of 11 can be there if you think about it. 11 times 2, 22. It could be 33 marbles, it could be 44 marbles, it could be 121 marbles. Okay, as long as for every 7 red marbles there are 4 blue marbles. So this is the idea of ratio. So I hope now, Nivan, You not only know the answer or not only can guess the answer, you also know the reason why that is the answer.
Yeah, sir.
Okay.